దేశంలో కరోనా వ్యాక్సిన్ల కొరత ఎందుకు ఏర్పడిందో ప్రధాని మోడీ చెప్పాలన్నారు ఎంఐఎం అధినేత అసదుద్దీన్ ఓవైసీ. ఏప్రిల్ వరకు వ్యాక్సిన్ల ఉత్పత్తి పెంచడానికి చర్యలు తీసుకోలేదని ఆరోపించారు. ప్రైవేట్ హాస్పిటల్స్ కు 25% కోటా ఎందుకు ఇస్తున్నారని ప్రశ్నించారు. సుప్రీంకోర్టు వ్యాఖ్యల వల్లే ప్రధాని మోడీ ఉచితంగా టీకాలు ఇస్తామని ప్రకటించారన్నారు అసదుద్దీన్.
Complete waste of time. The Prime Minister of India has wasted not only his time but all the country's time. The reason I say waste of time is because he was forced to reverse his vaccination policy because of the Supreme Court's observation, wherein the Supreme Court called the liberalized vaccination policy as discriminatory and arbitrary. These were strong observations. That is why the Prime Minister and his government were forced to reverse the vaccination policy, the liberalized so-called vaccination policy. The Prime Minister has failed to address one basic question to the nation: why is there a shortage of vaccine? Till April, no money was spent on ramping up vaccines, and the Prime Minister is not able to justify why 25% of vaccines are being reserved for private hospitals. Why is the Prime Minister agreeing for this VIP culture wherein the VIPs will be able to get and all the poor people of India will have to stand in queues? Fourth point, the Prime Minister falsely congratulated himself for the vaccination policy. The reason I say is false is because he said the frontline staff in time got the vaccination. The Prime Minister has misled the country by not saying that in July that there is a requirement of 30 crore for the priority groups, and out of that 30 crore priority groups, as of now in early May, only 10% are vaccinated. Why isn't the Prime Minister saying that to vaccinate this frontline staff, which he has proudly congratulated himself, in July to give that frontline staff and the doctors and the people over 45 age, you require 30 crore vaccines. What are the vaccines which you are producing by July? Only 13.2 crores. I say this on the basis of what the Government of India said in their affidavit to the Supreme Court of 9th of May, that by July 6.5 crore vaccines will be produced by Serum, 5.5 crore will be produced by Bharat Biotech, and Sputnik 1.2, that is only 13.2 crores.